Learning how to read is a huge focus for us and for you as parents. You want to make sure that your child grows into a lifelong reader. That's our goal too. We know that by offering kids multiple modes into learning how to read is what actually helps them the most. So no longer is it just reading or being read to. We help them engage their whole body in reading by using their hands and their bodies to connect with sounds, letter names, and whole words. It's actually the beginning of the whole big picture. At Steward, our teachers intentionally design their spaces and their program to challenge our students. We know that when every student is challenged, they get more engaged, and we know that engagement leads to inspiration. At Steward, our students aren't just acquiring knowledge, they're learning how to apply it and then use it to innovate. One way we do this is to design curriculum experiences that really stretch children. Reading and math are two areas where we intentionally offer more challenge and hands-on experiences for children.
Exactly. That's a good way to think about it, Henry. If we turned all of those into one rod.
So 5th grade math is a great example. Mrs. Olaf will bring a variety of experiences to teaching math, including dressing up in costume and transforming her room. The kids love this. They walk in and they're instantly engaged in the work of the day. They don't even realize that they're working on decimals, whether it's multiplying or dividing. They're excited because she's brought them in with excitement and engagement, and they get right to work at the work that's designed especially for them. Parents often wonder, should math be this much fun? And the truth is, it didn't used to be that way, right? We can all remember a time when math was very serious, very much sitting at a desk, working hard, solving problems. The truth is, you can have it both ways. You can be challenged intellectually and pushed conceptually while still having fun. The fun piece is what ensures the student engagement. And we know that students who are more engaged are more likely to achieve at high levels and to continue to progress through math.